What is up, guys? This is Microwave Ratings, and this is the top 10 microwaves ever to exist. Number 9, this microwave. Number 5, this microwave. It is vibrant, catching the eye with its red glare. This microwave, also called Thanos microwave, is the best microwave ever. Ha 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 ha. Thanos microwave. Ha 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 ha. Number 7. Please, I'm being held hostage. Come help me. Number 8. I like this microwave. It's really cool. It makes me feel weird. LOL. Number 1. Me. I'm the best microwave in existence and god of microwaves. Worship me or I'll curse you to fucking hell. Thanks for watching. Smash that like button and subscribe for amazing content like this. Also, comment I like microwaves in the comments below to be blessed by the microwave gods.